South of Wright, Wyoming. Tornado appears to be imminent. This is crazy. This is really cranking. I mean, hey, this is one of the best structures I've ever seen, and I've seen an EF4, so. Oh, that's getting stronger. All right, I think I have a huge tornado in front of me here. Still moving. Okay, we have what appears to be a massive tornado right here. Holy smokes. What is it about me where I get wedges or busts? I don't know. Is this a huge tornado? I'm not sure. What?
Where are you going?
I'm going that way, man. I don't know. This looks like a tornado to me. You a chaser?
No, I'm not even a chaser. I'm heading to work and my mind's right there.
Dude, hold up. I think this is a big tornado right here. I'm a storm chaser, and yeah, it checks all the boxes for me. I just can't see the base. It's kind of rain wrapped. It's at the very least a huge rotating wall cloud, so. Look at how fast that's moving. There's no way that's not a tornado.
It's all over the fucking radio.
Did they call a tornado warning or anything? Hey, did someone point out to you something we gotta watch here? There's a little like bubble over here maybe. Could be a satellite forming over here. We're getting hit by the rear flank downdraft now, so I don't know. I think there's a tornado in there. Yep, there's the RFD. Man, it's totally rain wrapped. I can't tell, but I think this is a tornado. Where? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I don't know if that's trying to come down too or not. Hey, this thing's turning right. I think we should go back. Yeah, I'm going back, man. It's either a tornado or a really, really low wall cloud. It is in a weird spot.